oil consumption, lack of power, or your Cummins N14 engine just reached 1,000,000 miles are signs it's possibly time for a rebuild. Avoid any further impacts to your truck and bottom line. Get your N14 running with an in-frame rebuild kit from America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Contact the experts at Highway and Heavy Parts, where we provide education, online resources, technical knowledge, and service, getting you back on the road. With this in-frame rebuild kit for the Cummins N14, we believe in only using new, high-quality parts in our Cummins N14 rebuild kits. Each part follows OE specifications and tolerances. This N14 rebuild kit is manufactured in an ISO 9001 certified facility and is built with hard-wearing materials for long-lasting durability. This kit for your N14 includes Ferrotherm pistons, a hybrid piston design with an aluminum skirt and steel crown. The profiled bore design increases the longevity of the piston pin and crown. Seal up your N14 with a complete upper engine gasket set, protecting your most vital components in your engine. Best of all, this is a new kit, 0 core charges for faster processing time. You don't have to sacrifice quality with Highway and Heavy Parts. Meeting the tight tolerances from the OEM at equal or better quality, fitting perfectly on your N14 will keep you running for another 1,000,000 miles. Backed by a 2-year warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified parts technicians. From purchase to installation, Highway and Heavy Parts has you covered. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping from America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.